So, what is focus? Focus means the ability to concentrate your attention on one task, idea, or goal without getting distracted. In simple word, focus giving your full attention to one thing at a time. Example, if you are studying physics and not checking your phone, not thinking about others, think and fully understanding the topic. That is focus. One strong line definition. Focus is the power to direct your mind towards a specific goal with clarity and consistency. Focus is the deliberate direction of attention and mental efforts towards a specific objective while minimizing distraction. Philosophical definition. Focus is the discipline of the mind to stay anchored in the present task despite internal and external disturbances. Psychological definition. Focus is a cognitive ability that allows an individual to selectively concentrate on relevant information while ignoring irrelevant stimuli. ফোকাস ফোকাস মনোযোগ কেন্দ্র করা কোনো একটি কাজ বা লক্ষ্যের উপর সম্পূর্ণ মনোযোগ দেওয়া। সহজ ভাষায় একটি জিনিসে পুরো মন দিয়ে কাজ করাই ফোকাস। ওয়ান লাइन फॉर एग्जाम हिंदी फोकस सफलता की पूंजी है। बेंगोली फोकस सफलताর চাবিকাঠি। In English, focus is focus is called success. Focus is success. Okay, thanks.